What's up YouTube? Welcome to my full day of eating vlog. We're gonna get started today with my vegan greens and reds superfoods drink, but we're gonna add Kickstart, which is a new product. It's actually just 4 ingredients: ginger, lemon, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. It's kind of like an immunity shot. Like if you go to those health food stores and you get those little tiny orange shots and you just take them really fast. That's what this is, but in a powder form, and it's all organic. So I actually like to mix it with my vegan greens every morning, and I usually try to do this before I have my coffee, because when you're sleeping all night and you haven't ate or drank anything, your stomach and your gut needs to be cleansed, basically. It's not the best to just pour hot coffee down, you know, acidic coffee in your gut first thing. So first thing, I usually like to do this. Woo, there is a kick from that cayenne though, let me tell you. Now while I'm drinking my vegan greens, let's do a little fit check. Today we're wearing new leggings I got from Navigation, which I've never tried before. I'm actually gonna do a YouTube video reviewing a bunch of different influencer brands. So I've been buying a ton of stuff just to sort of test it out before I make my videos. So these are Navigation leggings. Then this is a Lululemon Align crop, which I love. Has a built-in bra, so cute. Shoes today, have you guys ever heard of On Cloud? They're like a newer brand, and I've been obsessed. They're so light, they're so comfortable, and I love these all white ones. Okay, so now that my vegan greens are down the hatch, the next thing I usually drink is my coffee. Of course, I like to use oat milk and honey to sweeten it because I prefer not to have regular dairy. I just think that it causes inflammation in the body. Like most milk has so much sugar in it too. And then I love using honey because it's a natural sweetener and it actually has a lot of benefits, health benefits, and it can help your allergies too. So that's what I use for my coffee. Cheers. All right, breakfast. So today we have chia pudding that I made last night with oat milk, chia seeds. I topped it with fruit, some apples, blueberries, walnuts, and honey. And then for protein, we have two hard-boiled eggs and some turkey bacon. So my best tip for intuitively eating healthy is to always try to get a well-balanced meal. Well-balanced meaning you have some healthy carbs, you have some healthy fats, and you have protein in every single meal that you eat. If you're intuitively eating, you're not tracking macros, and you wanna kind of just eat healthy, that's a really easy way to try to make sure that all of your meals are healthy and well balanced. Just do I have my healthy carbs, healthy fats, and healthy protein in every single meal that you eat. So for this, I have healthy carbs in the chia pudding and the fruit, and then my protein is obviously the eggs and turkey bacon. The fats come from all of it, basically the walnuts, turkey bacon, and eggs. Egg yolk has fats, healthy fats. Also, the chia seeds have really, really good healthy fats and really, really high nutrition for you. I'm gonna put some stuff on the screen all about chia seeds. I love the way that it tastes. And it's so easy. You literally just put chia seeds in a bowl with milk and you put it in the fridge overnight and then it's done. So good. Okay guys, it's about time for me to go to the gym. It's leg day today, so I am going to eat my pre-workout snack and take some pre-workout, and then we'll go to the gym. Okay, so when I'm doing a pre-workout snack, I usually always go for a food with high carb because you need that quick digesting energy for your workout. So I'll also pair this usually with some healthy fats like peanut butter. I'll probably eat this in peanut butter because the healthy fat is gonna digest slowly and give you energy as you go. So you're not gonna be like hungry. Amazing. So while I munch on my pre-workout snack, I'm gonna mix up my pre-workout. And today I'm actually gonna include Pure Rebuild in the mix. This is a creatine and glutamine blend supplement. I'm starting to take this more regularly and I can't wait to see the difference. When I was powerlifting and bodybuilding, I used to take it all the time and it made the most amazing change to my body. I post a lot about it on my TikTok. If you wanna learn more about it, go follow me there. For pre-workouts, we're doing grape bubblegum, which is my favorite flavor so far. I love grape and it's so sweet and good. I don't really like pre-workouts that are sour. They just like make me blue, you know, so I prefer sweet.
Down the hatch.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's tart. Oh, I don't know about that. That's really tart.
It's not that tart.
You recording still? Oh, sorry. I love all of One Up stuff, but that particular one tastes bad. No, I mean, just don't get the unflavored one. There's other flavors.
Okay guys, just got back from the gym and I made my post-workout meal. Today we are having white rice with some chicken that I Cooked in teriyaki sauce yesterday for my veggies, broccoli, and then healthy fats, avocado. Okay, so after you work out, it's super important to have protein. That's why a lot of people have a protein shake. But you don't need a protein shake if you're gonna eat a meal that has protein in it. Whether the protein that you eat comes from food or if it comes from the shake is up to you and your personal preference. But you definitely don't need a protein shake if you get enough protein from your food. Actually, protein that comes from your food is gonna be better for you than a protein shake, in my opinion. But we use the protein as we need because sometimes we're just busy people. So good. This is something that you can easily meal prep in advance. You make a ton of rice, you make a ton of chicken in like an Instant Pot, throw the chicken in there, throw it in with some sauce, teriyaki sauce, cook it, shred it up, put it in the Tupperware in the fridge. You can eat out of it all week. And this is such an easy meal to throw together if you meal prep. If you guys want me to record a video on how I meal prep, comment below and let me know. Okay guys, I just went to play beach volleyball and I just got back, so excuse the sand all over me. I'm starving and I just made a really, really yummy protein pasta and I wanna show you it because it's such an easy way to eat pasta and still be healthy. It's just freaking amazing. So here's what it looks like. So this is the protein pasta that I used from Barilla. They have a ton of other pasta shapes that are protein. You actually get 10 grams of protein per serving and their serving size, let's be real, it's not realistic. So for a realistic serving size, I'd say like 2 of what they say. You get like 20 grams of protein and I'm pretty sure the protein is from peas, which is a really good, source of protein. I made some protein pasta with some shrimp for extra protein. And I did a sauce with olive oil and I only did like 1 tablespoon of cream cheese just to kind of give it a creamier taste. And then I did cherry tomatoes, onion, garlic, spinach, mushrooms. I love mushrooms. And that was it. And it was so easy. Literally all you do is you saute up the vegetables with the olive oil and garlic and onion, cook those, then you throw the shrimp in there. I added some hot pepper flakes. The juice from the tomatoes also creates sort of a nice pasta sauce. And I added a tablespoon of cream cheese, then the pasta, and I stirred it around. That's it. So easy. It's a really good way to just make your meals more fun. You shouldn't be afraid of pasta. It's just another carb. Some people obviously have gluten issues, but I love pasta and I can just get so creative and make it taste really good. Having this protein pasta, amazing. Anywhere that I can sneak in extra protein, I will, because I'm not big on eating meat. I just don't like it. It's weirdo, I know, but any way that I can sneak in protein, vegetarian, I am all in. It's my bedtime and I'm gonna have a pre-bedtime snack and we are gonna we're gonna make a little yogurt bowl with this plant-based coconut yogurt, vanilla and cinnamon, apples, blueberries, and a clementine. And I'll probably put honey and nuts. Let's see. Last but not least, I'm gonna have 2.5 squares of this dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. Like the darker the chocolate, the better. So put that in there. There we go, my bedtime snack. Thanks so much for watching, guys. That's all I have for you today. If you want to download this free bikini challenge, you can do it here. I'll see you next time.